This house was designed against three pressures at the same time: harsh sun, city noise, and urban exposure. And the answer was not a blind wall, it was a brick veil. The Brick Veil House, designed by VPA Architects, is located in Ahmedabad, India, on a west-facing site within a dense residential neighborhood. And that explains almost everything. The west facade receives intense sun, the street is close, the surroundings are urban, and one of the residents has hyperacusis, a condition that makes certain sounds much more uncomfortable. So the house had to deal with heat, light, noise, privacy, and sensory comfort at the same time. The main idea appears in the name itself: brick veil, a veil of bricks. This veil does not work only as a finish, it is an intermediate layer between the city and the life inside. It filters the harsh western sun, softens exposure to the street, allows air to pass through, draws shadows, and creates a more protected interior without turning the house into a closed box. On the main facade, the brick works almost like a curtain. It does not block everything. It filters, lets the house breathe, controls the light, protects the views, and transforms the facade into a transition zone, not just a wall. On the ground floor, the organization is more open. The formal living room, family living room, dining room, and kitchen connect around a central passage and an elevated dining area. It is not a single hall. The house has level changes, passages, and small moments of pause. The contemporary mandir works as a spiritual anchor inside the house and marks a meaningful point in the family's everyday life, with a crafted door inspired by Vrindavan. The materiality is direct: exposed brick, exposed concrete, metal structure, aluminum frames, glass, wood in some ceilings, and concrete elements with a wood grain pattern, visually bringing heavier materials closer to warmer surfaces. On the top level, the house ends with a multi-purpose lounge and a semi-open courtyard protected by screens, designed for celebrations. The area extends toward a front terrace garden. On the upper floor, there is the main suite, the daughter's room, a guest room, and a more intimate living room. The main suite sits behind the filtered facade, gaining privacy and a connection to balconies marked by vegetation. The strength of the Brick Veil House lies in the way brick stops being just matter. It becomes a filter. It filters light, heat, noise, views, movement, and creates a more protected house without completely cutting its relationship with the outside. The Brick Veil House shows that privacy does not need to mean total isolation. Sometimes the most interesting place is in between, a house that breathes, that filters, that protects, and that turns brick into an atmosphere of light, shadow, texture, and silence.